A kidney transplant involves replacing a damaged kidney with a kidney from an organ donor. This involves a surgery where a donor's kidney is removed and transplanted into a recipient. So who can donate a kidney? A transplanted kidney can come from either a living donor or from someone who has recently died. As we have 2 kidneys, a donor can donate one of theirs to somebody in need. When one kidney has been donated, the other remains to keep filtering the blood. Generally, the remaining kidney allows living donors to continue life with few or no associated problems.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE biology course. See you there!